Want to edit your edge panel on Samsung Galaxy and not sure how? I'm Kate, and in this video I will show you how. Now let's get started. From your settings menu, tap on display. Then scroll down to edge panels and tap on edge panels. This opens up the menu where you can have access to turn it on. So you turn it on and then you click on the panels option. Here you have options that you can decide which one would appear on your edge panel. You can decide to make it people, smart select. You can choose which other one you want to appear on your edge panel. And once you've done that, when you pull out the edge panel, you now have access to all this. Just pull like this and you have access to all the panels and options you want. And that is all it takes to edit edge panels on Samsung Galaxy. If you found this video helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. We put up helpful tips and tricks like this one every day. Thanks for watching.